Namaste and warm greetings from Bliss Ayurveda India. Today I am going to talk about detox in Ayurveda, the concept of detoxification of our body. It is a very important subject in Ayurveda. In fact, one of the most important topics that Vaidyas used to discuss with their patients and their clients. Detox, regular detox of our body is an essential part of our lifestyle, because if our body is not detoxed regularly, then the accumulation of ama, what we call toxins, results in the manifestations of various diseases in according to Ayurveda physiology. Most of the diseases according to Ayurveda has their origin in the accumulation or the continuous accumulation of ama, toxins in our body and bodily tissues. That is why Ayurveda puts a lot of emphasis on detoxification, regular detoxification of our body, either through herbs or through Panchkarma treatments, which are specialized treatments done in Ayurveda clinics under the supervision of Vaidyas, like we do here at our Bliss Ayurveda clinic in Delhi. Ama Pachan is very important not only to cleanse our body tissues, but also our lymphatic system, our intestine, our colon, our blood, and in fact what we call the whole body. It helps cleanse toxins from Shrotas, which means that channels, microcirculatory channels of energy and nutrition that supply this effective nutrition to the body tissues or to the deeper tissues. If they are blocked with ama, with toxins, then of course the tissues get weaker and results in one form or other form of the disease. It is also very important to maintain our Agni optimal. Agni means digestive ability as well as metabolic activities happening in our stomach as well as in individual body tissues. Because if the body has accumulation of toxins, then the Agni also gets weaker, which in turn results in more accumulation of toxins, blocking the channels of energy, which is Shrotas, and manifesting into some disease or the other. That is why Ayurveda considers detoxification as a most significant part of Ayurveda regime. Today I will talk about detox, about each and every aspect of our body. Let's start with detoxifying our whole intestine as well as detoxifying our fatty tissues through Google Max. We have a very effective supplement available with Trado, Google Max. It's a combination of herbs which are classically known as Triphala and Trikatu in combination with Commiphora Mukul, called Google in Sanskrit. This is a very effective combination which purifies toxins from the Meda Dhatu, that means the fatty tissues, and from the blood also, like reducing extra fat, helping in obesity, also helps reduce extra cholesterol and triglycerides from our arteries and veins. It is also very effective to detox our whole intestinal system by cleansing ama from our intestine. Google X also contains curcuma, turmeric, and we all know it is again an anti-inflammatory, antioxidant and detoxifying herb in Ayurveda. And the holistic combination of all these herbs make Google Max very effective. And the way we produce it with the bhavna process of different herbs and juices, it potency increases to a very high extent. The standard dose for Google Max is 2 tablets before bedtime with warm water. If we need to reduce extra fat, or if we are obese, then of course we can take 2 tablets in the morning and 2 before bedtime with warm water for effective results. Another thing that is very important to detox regularly is liver. We all know that liver plays a significant role in our physiology, and it is very important that we need to regularly detox our liver, because if the liver function is not correct, then it weakens our digestion. It also weakens Agni or metabolic activities in our blood and also fat metabolism. That is why regular detox of liver is considered very important in Ayurveda. Liver Bliss is an effective combination of herbs that is present in Trado in Russia for detoxifying our liver. It is a combination of herbs like Kutiki, Chiraita, which are very bitter herbs, Picoriza and Chiraita, considered blood purifying as well as removing extra toxins from the body. It also has aloe vera and Berberis aristata, Daru Haridra, which is also considered powerful blood purifiers and what in Ayurveda we call Ranjaka Pitta balancing, which means balancing the whole metabolic activities associated with liver, be it triglycerides, cholesterol, be it the function of the pancreas or even blood metabolism. So that is why it is very important to take Liver Bliss regularly, 1 tablet in the morning, 1 in the evening. In case we have fatty liver, in case our liver function test does not show very good results, then we can double the dose to 2 tablets 2 times a day for best results. And we should take Liver Bliss regularly from 1 to 3 months to detoxify our body. People who have sometimes rashes on the body, sometimes unknown allergies in the body or food allergies should also take Liver Bliss to detoxify the toxins which are primary reasons for such types of allergies. People who also have been taking some allopathic medicines like antibiotics or steroids or cortisones for some medical problems suggested by their doctors, they should also take Liver Bliss regularly to regularly detox their liver. People who consume alcohol also should take Liver Bliss regularly to detox their liver to prevent it from any major damages. Another third supplement to detox our body is Lymphocare, to cleanse and detoxifying our lymphatic system, which is a very significant part of our body, of our physiology. It is very important to regularly detoxify our lymphatic system like the liver, because most of the time when our lymphatic system is not purified or not cleansed regularly, then some serious health issues can also crop up in our body. Even problems like tumors, cysts, or some studies say even cancer can also happen because of the accumulation of toxins in our lymphatic system. That is why Ayurveda recommends regular cleansing of our lymphatic system to prevent such deadly diseases. Lymphocare is a combination of 5 classical Ayurveda herbs. It's a very powerful combination, which is Kanchanar Gugul, Praval Panchamrit, Shiva Gutika, Trifala and Trikatu. These 5 classical combinations put together in a formula called Lymphocare holistically is very effective to prevent frequent boils, acne, or problems like tonsils, lymphadenitis, tumors, cysts like that. And we should take Lymphocare not only to cleanse our system, but also as prevention from these health issues. Lymphocare also has a special herb called Spheranthus indicus, Gorakh Mundi and Shilajit, which in combination with these classical preparations are very effective to detoxify and cleanse our whole lymphatic system. The standard dose for Lymphocare to detox our body is 1 tablet in the morning and 1 in the evening. But for people who have some health issues also, they should again take 2 tablets in the morning and 2 in the evening with warm water for effective results. For women who also are prone sometimes like problems like uterine fibroids, ovarian cyst or PCOS or PCOD type of problems, they should also take Lymphocare together in combination with Mancor for young women, and for women above 45 they should take Menolife, what we call Golden Eve, in combination with Lymphocare for effective results. The fourth combination or the formulation that I want to speak today is detox of our intestine and our colon. We have 2 products in this category. One is Diaroco and the other is Triflamax. Diaroco is a very effective combination of herbs which not only strengthen our digestive ability in our intestine, especially in our small intestine, but also helps absorption and assimilation of the digested food. Sometimes we have loose bowels, sometimes we have sticky bowels, sometimes we have diarrhea for various reasons. Diaroco is helpful to prevent and also to treat all these underlying problems that I mentioned. Diaroco is also very effective to generate friendly, healthy bacteria in our intestine and colon. Lot of us take probiotics in very high doses from outside to maintain these friendly bacteria in our intestine and in our colon. We continuously take them, but still with limited results. And when we stop those probiotics, we are back to square one. The problem is still back. Diaroco is a combination of herbs like Kutaj, Halorina antidysentrica, and the fruit extract of eagle marmelos, what we call bale in Ayurveda, which has a natural ability to create healthy bacteria in our intestine, which means they detoxify the whole intestinal parts of our body and create a conducive environment for the friendly bacteria of all these natural probiotics to grow in a natural way. And that is, I think, more important, that our body's ability to produce such healthy bacteria should be reinstated instead of we depending on probiotics or the external probiotics from outside all the time. There's no harm in taking some of the probiotics for a short period, but what I suggest is very important to detoxify our intestine by taking Diaroco, which has an added benefit to also stop loose bowels and sticky bowels and have a consistent bowel movements, which is considered very effective in Ayurveda. Some of you who might have gone for an Ayurveda consultation with a Vaidya or an Ayurveda doctor, they always ask questions about regular bowel movements. It is very important because if our movements are not regular, which means that the body will accumulate toxins in the body. And if the body accumulates toxins, then we become prone to various disorders and diseases. That is why it is very important to cleanse our colon in a regular basis in a natural way. And Triflamax plays a very significant role in this. Triphala Max, as the name indicates, is a combination of classical Ayurveda herbs like Amlaki, Haritaki and Vibhitiki. And here in Triphala Max, we add the extract of rose petals and fennel seeds to maximize the effect of Triphala. This whole synergistic combination becomes very effective, and you can compare it with any Triphala, whatever is available in Russia, and you will realize that just 1 or 2 tablets of Triphala Max taken before bedtime immediately shows results in the morning with a proper cleansing of our bowels. People who have problems with constipation or not very good cleansing of the bowels, they should regularly take Triphala Max as part of their lifestyle routine. Sometimes we feel that sometimes we have loose bowels and sometimes we have constipation. Sometimes the consistency of the stool is not even. It is very variable. We advise to take both Diaroco and Triphala Max together in such situations. Diaroco 2 tablets should be taken in the afternoon, and Triphala Max 1 or 2 tablets shall be taken before bedtime with warm water. This combination makes a wonderful effect, shows a wonderful effect to purify the body as well as to make our stool consistent and regular in a natural way without the use of any external probiotics or laxatives. Friends, I again emphasize that we should put a lot of emphasis on detoxifying different parts of our body and the whole body by taking all these 5 supplements from time to time regularly. Every 6 months, once in a year, 2 times in a year, so that we are able to prevent our body from any possible diseases that may arise because of the accumulation of the toxins. Thank you.